The Brazilian author Paulo Coelho was born in 1947 in the city of Rio de Janeiro. Before dedicating his life completely to literature, he worked as theatre director, an actor, lyricist, and journalist. In 1986, Paulo Coelho did the pilgrimage to St. James of Compostela, an experience later to be documented in his book The Pilgrimage. In the following year, Coelho published The Alchemist, which was actually the biggest hit and the bestseller. Slow initial sales convinced his first publisher to drop this novel, but it went on to become one of the best-selling Brazilian books of all time. Other title includes Brida in 1990, The Valkyries in 1992, By the River Piedra I Sat Down and Wept 1994, the collection of his best columns published in the Brazilian newspapers Folha de Sao Paulo entitled Maktub 1994, the compilation of texts phrases 1995, The Fifth Mountain 1996, Manual of a Warrior of Light 1997, Veronica Decides to Die 1998, The Devil and Miss Priam 2000, the compilation of traditional tales and stories for parents, children and grandchildren 2001, 11 Minutes, which was again a bestseller in 2003, The Zahir 2005, The Witch of Portobello 2006, and Winner Stands Alone, which was released in 2009. During the months of March, April, May and June 2006, Paulo Coelho traveled to celebrate the 28th anniversary of his pilgrimage to St. James of Compostela in 1986. He also over there held a surprise book signings, which was announced one day in advance in some cities along the way, to have a chance to meet his readers. In 90 days of pilgrimage, the author traveled around the globe and took the famous Trans-Siberian train and took him to Vladivostok. During this experience, Paulo Coelho launched his blog Walking the Path, The Pilgrimage, in order to share with his readers his expression. Since this first blog, Paulo Coelho has expanded his presence in the internet with his daily blogs in WordPress, MySpace and Facebook. Paulo Coelho is equally very much active in media sharing sites such as YouTube and Flickr, offering on a regular basis, which not only text but also videos and pictures to his readers. From his intensive interest in use of the internet sprang his bold news project, The Experimental Witch, where he invites his readers to adapt to the screen his book, The Witch of Portobello. Indeed, Paulo Coelho is a firm believer of internet as a new media, and in the first best-selling author to actively support online free distribution of his work. Paulo Coelho is one of the best authors. When we talk about his best-selling novel, The Alchemist, the central symbol of the book entails coaxing metal to achieve its own personal legend to turn into gold. As a result, the idea that all individuals should live in the singular pursuit of their individual dreams emerges as the primary theme of The Alchemist. When we talk about that, what is Paulo Coelho famous for? He is 38 years old and he had a spiritual awakening in Spain and wrote it in his first book, The Pilgrimage. It was his second book, The Alchemist, which made him famous. He has sold 35 million copies and now writes about one book every 2 years. This is according to November 6, 2019. This was all about the famous author Paulo Coelho.